We present the visualization of the installation of the TF-ICE MASTER Anti-Icing system by Termofol. At the beginning, we prepare the surface and mark the heating zones. The system is planned for areas particularly prone to icing, driveways, stairs, and walkways. TF-OHMAT mats are unfolded and laid out parallel according to the design, maintaining appropriate gaps and bending radii. The heating mat is connected to the main thermostat. The heating mat must be connected to the main thermoregulator ICE Master, as described in detail in the user manual. Next, the TF-GTH sensor is installed in the surface, with its probe measuring temperature and humidity in real time, allowing precise heating control. The final stage of installing the TF-OHMAT heating mat involves precisely connecting it to the TF-ICE MASTER device. In this case, the system was installed on the driveway ramp to the back area, which is a typical solution in shops, discount stores, and industrial facilities. We are now moving to the area where heating mats are installed on the driveway of a single-family home. Here, just like in commercial properties, the heating mat prevents icing and snow accumulation on driveways and sidewalks. The TF-ICE MASTER system automatically adjusts the temperature, ensuring comfort and safety for residents, eliminating the need for shoveling snow. Similarly to before, we are installing the GTH sensor on the driveway of a single-family home. The sensor monitors weather conditions, and its readings are sent to the heating system, which activates the heating mats in response to changes in temperature and humidity. After verifying the correct installation, the heating mats are covered with concrete or the final surface. The installation is invisible, but ready to operate at any moment. Heating cables are installed on the roof and in the gutter system, which effectively prevent the formation of icicles, ice blockages, and excess snow. The Termofol TF-GTH heating cable is perfect for roofs and gutters, preventing the accumulation of snow and ice. Thanks to its UV resistance and durable design, it ensures reliable operation, protecting against damage caused by icing. The heating cable can be easily connected to the TF-ICE MASTER Plus system extension, allowing for effective management of heating on roofs and in gutters. The system supports the TFRH sensor detecting moisture in drains. Thanks to this, roof heating activates only when it's truly necessary. The power cables are routed in protective conduits that shield them from mechanical damage and environmental conditions. We also connect another TFRH sensor to the TF-ICE MASTER Plus extension, according to the markings in the user manual. Additionally, we can install the TF-GTH heating cable not only on the roof itself, but also in gutters and downspouts. This ensures comprehensive protection against ice formation, effectively preventing blockages in water drainage and structural damage that may occur due to ice buildup. Once all the sensors are connected, the system becomes complete and fully integrated. The entire system is managed by the modern TF-ICEMASTER controller, equipped with a clear display and advanced automatic operation algorithms. Now, we will show a simplified diagram of connecting mats and sensors to TF-ICEMASTER external thermostats and the ICEMASTER Plus extension. In larger installations, it is possible to use expansion modules that work with the main unit and allow for independent management of multiple heating zones, for example, separately for the driveway, roof, or gutters. This is a scalable and flexible solution for single-family homes, commercial buildings, and industrial facilities. The TF-ICEMASTER system can also be operated remotely through the dedicated TERMOFOL SMART mobile application. Thanks to Wi-Fi connectivity, the user can check data from sensors, turn the heating on or off, and adjust the work schedule from anywhere in the world. The system is activated and tested. The heating elements heat up quickly, effectively eliminating accumulated snow and ice. The result? A safe, dry, and fully functional environment, regardless of the weather. TF-ICEMASTER is intelligent, energy-efficient winter protection. TF-OHMAT mats, TF-GTH and TF-RH sensors, the main controller, and slave modules, along with the option of app control, ensure reliability, comfort, and safety, even in the most demanding conditions.